In the past, I have been talking about how you can create an Amazon wishlist and how to share it. But a lot of you made questions about the privacy of Amazon and if Amazon will reveal your address and identity, and some of you were not happy that Amazon shares your state and country or postal code. So I made some research about some other platforms that can create exactly what you need, a wish list, but with a better privacy settings. And found out about Giftapp, which is the sponsor of today's video, and I will be telling you all about it and how it works today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce and I am so excited to show you some of the items that I'm looking forward to buying on my Giftapp wishlist. But first, let me quickly explain how Giftapp works. Giftapp is a wishlist platform that allows you to create a list of items you want to receive as gifts. Unlike traditional wishlist, Giftapp does not require you to share your personal information, such as your address with the people who will send you a gift, or if you are a content creator like me, to your followers. And what I love the most is that instead of receiving physical gifts, you will be receiving the funds necessary to purchase the items on your list, which will be deposited directly into your bank account. This makes the Giftapp a more private and convenient option for creating a wish list. Now let's start by signing up to my Giftapp, which is super easy. The first thing we're gonna do is, of course, open your browser and go to giftapp.com, okay? So once that we're here, we're gonna sign up and it's free, okay? So let's just sign up here, and what we are going to do next is just enter your email account and a username, okay? And then you will use a password. So I'm gonna click on sign up. Now, immediately after you sign up, it will send you an email request. You get an email verification code and you will enter that on your login, okay? And click on verify button. Now you will create your page by adding your profile photo, your name, and your bio. Here I'm just gonna add my name in this case and my country. You can add here your social media. In this case, I'm gonna add my YouTube channel, okay? Which is this. Add only my YouTube channel for now, and I'm gonna click on finish setup. Bio, it's required. And also you need a photo. I'm gonna add this and you are going to click on finish setup. And immediately you will get a welcome email from Giftapp. So you will get this email, and also you can start adding items to your wish list right here. You can enter the gift name or even the Amazon link. You can also import from Amazon wishlist, okay? So let's say that I want this video doorbell. So I'm gonna add this, and here is add to my wish list, and you can allow repeating or not. If you enable it, then you will be allowing to repeat. This one is really good product, so I'm gonna be adding it to my wish list. And then you can share this with your audience by copying this link, and in this case I already have my Linktree app, so I just will be logging in here and adding this right here. I'm gonna add the link to my Giftapp. So here is the share button. I'm gonna copy a link right here and I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna click on add, and here I'm gonna just add. Okay, so now you can keep adding products and you can add a gift message if you like and confirm and fund in one click. Now I'm going to show you how you can add your Amazon wishlist or link your Amazon wishlist here to your Giftapp. Okay, so let's go to my computer again, And what you're gonna do is when you open here this screen, it has a button that says import from Amazon wishlist. Okay, so you're gonna click on that button, and then you will see that it has a list of like 3 steps instructions, and you have a text box where it says enter Amazon wishlist URL. Okay, you are going to paste here your Amazon wishlist, and I have showed you how you can get your Amazon wishlist link on this video right here, but I'm gonna just summarize it right now. What you're gonna do is go to your amazon.com.ca, wherever you are. Make sure that you go to the right Amazon, and in this case I'm going to amazon.ca, and I'm just gonna copy one of the links to my wish list. Okay, so in this case I'm selecting the EM wish list, which stands for Entrepreneur Mommy, and I am going to click on the send list to others link, and then you are going to see this message right here, and here you're gonna click on where it says invite someone to view only. Okay, tap on that, and here you get a link. So just tap or click on where it says copy link, and once that you have that, you can come back to your Giftapp page, and you are going to paste that link on this text box and hit enter, or just press the red button where it says import wishlist. Once that you have it, you will see that automatically all the items that you had on your Amazon wishlist will be imported and will appear on your Giftapp page. Okay, and from here you can edit it as well. So for example, let's say that you don't want some of those items to appear on this wish list, you can remove them. Okay, so just make sure that you want those, or just remove them, or you can edit them, or you can add them to favorites as well. So this is how you can add your Amazon wish list to your Giftapp. As you can see, I love how easy it is to add items from local stores to my list. And the fact that I can receive the funds directly in my bank account makes the whole process even more convenient. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Giftapp for yourself. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye!